There's chopping, there's peeling, there's dropping and spilling, and barely just nailing the final detailing. There's brushing and scrubbing and dragging through chores and slamming with force the soft closed doors. There's sharing secrets and heated meetups and post-fight late-night mid-snack chit-chat. There's roasting and toasting and poaching and frying, and why are you crying? It's just from the slicing. Too salty, too bland, crush hazel, heat pan, then lend a gentle hand tending to the basil plant. Spreadsheets, bread meat, spread treats, homework, phone work, artwork, and clockwork. There's biscuits and briskets, visits and visits, hours on hours, lived and relived. There's labor, there's love, there's labor of love. A home well lived, that's what it's made of.